Hello guys, welcome back to another video on Plastic Guys channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, my first ever, so if it's not very good, don't blame me. So today I went to Alton Towers with my dad and my sister and thingy. On the way home we went into Longton Way and we went to Mackey's and then came across Smith, so I thought Dad could go in there. On my pocket when I bought this. Wait, I'll take off the label here. If you saw how much grass is good for you. So, as you can see, can I just show you a little bit? See, it's a pot vinyl, which I really like the look of because it's got big heads. And it's Seth freaking Rollins. So let's get into it. Oh, my first ever wrestling thing to do with wrestling. There was loads of figures, but I decided to get this. The man, Seth Rollins. The detail on it is really cool. It's got his SWSR. It's got all of his attire right. It's cool. Does anything else come in the box? No. So you can see how he goes in. He goes in back as well. And putting him back in. Locking back up in the prison. So I'm probably going to keep it in the box for display. But I don't end up ruining it. But there you go, Seth freaking Rollins. Hot vinyl. So like, subscribe, watch this video, and peace.